Can you see yourself in the 2021 Toyota Tacoma? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. You'll be comfortable, connected, and focused on the road or trail ahead in this capable Tacoma. Driver assistance technology, including a backup camera, comes standard, as does a composite bed, deck rail system, and no shortage of can-do attitude. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, keyless start, adaptive cruise control. Whether you're looking for a versatile connected utility vehicle or an off-road adventure machine, this Tacoma is ready for the task. Our expert staff is trained to give you every advantage. Stop in for a test drive today.